Hi, I'm Wongster1970, and this is the Smart Portable Air Inflator by ShockFlow. Picked this up on Amazon. I thought I'd give it a try, so let's check it out. Let's take a look, see what's inside. You can see from the box, it's got a bunch of different modes. There's a ball mode, bike mode, motorcycle mode, CUV mode, SUV mode, and manual mode. Comes in its own little bag. Here's the instructions. Here is the unit. And your air hose is down here. Go through the side there. See, that goes back in here. A cell phone charger cable and a cigarette lighter adapter. So I'm going to turn it on and press the motorcycle button, and the air pressure on my motorcycle should be 32. So let's go to the bike. I'll take this, well, I'll take it over there, and let's put some air in the tires. This is the front tire on my 1984 Honda Shadow VT 500C. It's got a slow leak in it. You can see I got the pump all set. Take this. Okay, hit the power. Hit this button. And there we go. Stops automatically. And this also has a light built into it, see, and then it's got a strobe. That's cool, and a flash. Let's check the rear one. That was pretty quick. See that? And you see it can also switch in between different settings. There's PSI, there's your bar, there's your kPa, and your kilograms, cubic centimeters. So of course I'm going with PSI. Well, that's it for my little demonstration of the ShockFlow Smart Portable Air Inflator. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe.